friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review the newly launched Portronics Pure Sound Pro 3, aka the Portronics POR-891. So let's move in. So friends, this is the box of the Portronics Pure Sound Pro 3. So first let's check what's written on the box, then we'll move inside the box. As you can see, this is a 10-watt wireless soundbar and the Bluetooth enabled, inbuilt FM, USB port and aux in also. For this side you have some more information about the speaker, and on this side it's telling about the buttons. You can see volume up, down, speaker, play, pause, power on off button and everything. So now let's move inside the box and look at the speaker. So you can have to open it from this side. Yeah, you have to open it like this from this side, and from the other side also I think you have to push the speaker out. From this side also the same thing, push the speaker out. Yeah, as you can see over here I'm pushing it. This is the speaker. Wow, it looks pretty good and it isn't that heavy. So this is the speaker. Let's keep the speaker aside and look at the things we get in the package. So this is the accessory package. You can see with this speaker we get the aux cable and the charging cable. As you have seen the older videos, the Portronics sound drum didn't have this aux cable but had the aux port. You can see the aux cable is provided. This is the charging cable, traditional charging cable. It's okay, and warranty and more stuff over here. See, this is the warranty card over here. You can increase the warranty by 2 months if you go on to their site. As you can see, redeem 2 months extra warranty by putting this all information. And you can see this is the guide, specifications on the guide. So let's clean everything up and look at the speaker. Go look in the mirror, say hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Portronics 891, and first we are going to talk about the build quality and design of the speaker. Build quality wise, Portronics is just nailing it every time. I have unboxed many Portronics speakers and this is the same. The build quality is so phenomenal. They don't have any kind of panel gaps. You can see the grill and the housing. You don't have any kind of panel gap. The grill is quite perfectly fit inside this housing, and the fit and finish is just superb on these speakers. The whole plastic shell, this is made out of plastic, the whole speaker, and that feels quite premium, and soft touch plastic used, no rough edges at all. Doesn't feel cheap by any means. And design wise also they have done a great job. They've done something different, I will say, because I've unboxed 2 or 3 music bars, all get the same flat kind of a grill in the front, but this speaker has a contoured grill. The speaker is quite slopey and it meets to a point which looks quite great. And the thing which they are doing different but I don't like, because I've never seen a speaker with this gloss finish on the top. This is the first speaker I've seen. You can see I've just unboxed the speaker and this color is just a mess. So many fingerprints on the top, and this speaker is easily scratch prone too, because this color will show scratches quite easily. Because as you can see, this is a glossy color. The matte finish will never show you scratches that easily. This color will very easily show you, and this is plastic. This might get scratched as time goes, but if you can keep it clean, this color looks fabulous. This color makes the speaker looks and feel premium also, because this is a gloss finish no other speaker can give you. So something different. And but other than that, when it comes to design and build quality, it's so phenomenal. Tremendous build quality and design by this brand, and each and every time they have just surprised me with some different thing. Like this time this grill and the color. But so now moving on to the features of this speaker. Feature wise, you get lots of stuff. You get a USB port at the back. Let me just show you. This is the USB port, the charging cable, the LED indicator, and the aux in. Aux in is quite usable now because you get a aux cable also in this package. And as I was saying, features wise, you get a USB port, you get a 2500 mAh battery which goes up to 6.5 hours. The charging time is about 4 hours in my opinion. I've charged it, but it took about 3 to 4 hours, that much. You get the latest Bluetooth 4.2. You get, this is a 10-watt speaker, and the great part is you get FM radio. The great thing this brand is giving you right now, if you buy this speaker, any Portronics speaker, you get extended 2 months warranty. Like you have 12 months warranty out of the box, but you get extra 2 months warranty. And the button layout is also superb. The button layout is so simple to use. This is the on off button, this is the changing volume, increase and decrease. This is the play pause button. You can change modes also from this button, the power on off button. And this housing is also plastic, which feels quite great. And this is matte. As you can see, this is matte, no fingerprints, nothing to do with it. So now moving on to the sound test of this speaker. So friends, I've connected the Portronics 891 with my Nexus 6V, and the name of the song is My Heart by NCS, and the volume from my device is full. So I'm going to play the music. Speaker, now we come to a conclusion that the sound from this speaker was super crisp, doesn't have any kind of distortion. It is just typical Portronics. You don't get any distortion. The sound is very crisp, clear. When the bass is hitting at that time also, the lyrics are very clear. And this is a very loud speaker. This is a 10-watt speaker. It doesn't sound like a 10-watt speaker, but it's a very loud speaker. The bass is pretty good when you consider it like a music bar, because I have unboxed 2-3 music bars, but the bass is the best in this speaker. And the size is also quite good. It is slim, it is quite well finished. You get wide connectivity options, and the great part is the price. It all comes to the price at the end. The price of the speaker is just under 1900 rupees. Can you believe it? You get such a great package under 1900 rupees. You get 14 months of warranty, you get that USB port, you get a big battery 2500 mAh, and you get this sound quality with this great design. And it depends upon you about your taste of this color. If you want to buy this music bar, the links are in the description. And friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Portronics Pure 891. Thank you for watching, friends.